little Timmy been put to bed?
Why, yes, Father. Mother read him his story just now.
I did. It was about a young man becoming an investment banker.
Good. That's how it should be.
Whatever shall we watch this fine Tuesday night, midway through the working week, and past the 9 p.m. watershed?
What about Sky Satellite TV?
No.
IPTV?
Absolutely not.
I want to browse the World Wide Web upstairs.
And leave this enclosed space specifically scheduled and designed for TV family viewing? Who do you think we are? Savages?
Well, Shalisa's dad has a computer and he browses it every night.
So, Shalisha's dad is a gay man.
And a single parent.
And therefore doesn't count as part of the general television viewing audience.
Why?
My darling, if he did, he would have explicit representation on television.
Well, who's to say that representation means that homosexual culture is properly explored?
Nonsense!
Why not deliberately show a few people living it in explicit detail instead of just a cameo in someone else's straight story?
Don't be a fool. Any show that did that would be ridiculous.
And almost certainly wouldn't average 3 million viewers per episode.
And wouldn't pander to the normative.
Are you channel hopping?
Why, yes. It's the normal thing to do.
Stop it! Let's watch this.
What is it?
Why, it's the pilot episode of Queer as Folk.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Oh my. Oh my. Look at them. Look at them.
Gay folk in our living room.
Gay folk in our household.
With little Timmy sleeping upstairs.
These creatures could disrupt his poor, innocent mind.
Not on my watch.
Are you using that remote queerly?
No, I'd rather just watch something new. Something that I can actually relate to.
Right.
Fine.
I was just a shag. I knew that.
Well, guess we are all queer.